Here's an update on the Hubert Herr cuckoo quail clock that I've been working on. I put a hole in the back door so I could adjust the gongs. Sounds pretty good. This clock did not have a topper or pendulum or weights with it when I bought it. But I only paid around $40 to include shipping with it, so that's not a bad price for a cuckoo quail clock. And like I said, I need a topper for it, but it is up and running. The reason why the hand is where it's at is because the hand is loose. I need to tighten up the nut. And I wanted to show you the cuckoo bird stays open. The door stays open. And the reason why is because I need to bend this wire some. Because as you can see, the clock door is coming out too far. So if I was to bend it to about right there, it'll shut on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And here we go again. I hope you all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.